want to see us build a deck? Stick around. We started out by building the deck upside down on the ground. Since this was our first time doing this type of system, we really didn't want to mess up, and we did want to make sure that we got our concrete piers in the perfect spot. I used a skid steer with an auger attachment to drill out our concrete pier foundations. James then had the awful task of chipping away the corners just to make the holes just a bit bigger. Our ground is clay and rocks, which made it just that much more difficult, and we also had the concrete truck scheduled for the following morning, so it had to be 100% prepped, even if that meant working till midnight. Our deck was designed and supplied by a company called ISPAN. The frame of the deck is structural steel that is all pre-cut and then bolted together. It is covered with a steel pan to hold the concrete top. We also had wonderful assistance from their very own technical sales representative, Tyler Bowman. He helped us put it all together and brought some very handy tools to make it so much easier. the deck was ready for concrete, we ended the day by waterproofing and prepping for the basement windows. We wanted to install these after the deck was done, just in case any concrete spilled. During this time, we also had our septic tank installed, and then concrete showed up, and then it was time to pour and finish it. Once the concrete was nice and dry, we worked off of it to install the last few windows and the patio doors, and then we also sealed everything. Lastly, our weeping bed got finished, and we were feeling so good about all the progress. Thanks for sticking around till the end. Next we're going to start insulating, so make sure you catch that too.